Well, I don't know if there's anybody out there, but I would like to welcome you to the craft table. And tonight you're going to be helping me make a mess. That's basically what I do whenever I paint, is make a very big mess. So sit back, enjoy. Please chat. Let me know you're out and about. And let's start making messes, shall we? This is the basics. How easy that was. Pour some paint in a cup. Pour it on your canvas board, a primed board, anything actually. You can pour them. I've got some chalk, Easter egg shaped chalk. I'm going to pour paint on a couple days from now. So there is no reason, no excuse not to give this a try. The paints are not that expensive. You can buy them at the Dollar Tree. No reason, you can't tell me that they're too expensive. Go to the Dollar Tree, pick up 3 or 4 paints, get white, black, and your favorite color, pour them on a canvas. You can even buy the canvas boards at the Dollar Tree. You have to add a little water. There is paint medium. I use the Floetrol. It's actually for paint, the latex based. It is a thinner and leveler, and you can get these at this at a hardware store. You can get it off of Amazon. You can get it almost anywhere. If you're overseas, there is another one, but I can't remember what the name of it is. But this is what I use. You can use a mixture of school glue and water. Will basically do the same thing. There is a Liquitex pouring medium. Several of the paint companies now are coming out with this pouring medium. You can pick these up at Walmart. A lot of times it doesn't have to be Deco Art. Apple Barrel is often on sale for 50 cents a bottle. No excuses, none. Give it a try. I use little cups, plastic cups, Dixie cups, the bathroom cups, whatever, popsicle sticks, really, and, pour it on a piece of cardboard. Just try it. Give it a try. And even if there's nobody there, I really want to thank you for coming. This was my very first stream, and I was scared to death. I want to thank Matt for talking me into it and pushing me, showing me how. I'm sorry that the chat's not working, because I really would have loved to have chat. But as you can see, I talk to myself anyway. So people there or not, I gap all the time. I know. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got a little bit of inspiration, saw how easy it was. Look, there's a cell popping right up in there. I'm going to let this dry. Hopefully by tomorrow it's not all curled up on itself. And in my next video, I'll show you the dried look. But until then, you have a great night, a great day, and a great week. And I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.